Hi guys, it's Peter again today with another video. We have the X-Max back here at my jumping facility. We have the steel spur gear today, 50 tooth. This is the one I got. We have changed the shock shaft, as you can see, shock rod. Sorry. What happened to the plastic spur gear is that either my spur gear moved or my motor moved, but the motor is fixed, so I presume that the spur gear moved a little bit, and this is why the last time we got a stripped plastic gear. I have put on the motor shroud. Bad landing. Should have gone for the backflip. Should have gone. But I said no, so we have now the stock pinion gear from Traxxas. This is not stock, it's 18 tooth. And we have the chrome steel spur gear. And let's see how this works out. Woo! Like in Monster Jam, wheelies. Good recovery. You can see they have definitely been working here. They made some changes. Whoa, it's dusty. I have to wait till the... Okay, I think I have something in my drive shaft. Not anymore. I definitely had something in my steering, because I couldn't steer anymore. Huh? Yeah, baby! This is what I like. Wonderful. I must say my claim for the VL6 we came through, and I got a brand new VL6 system from Traxxas, but now thank you, so I'm selling it. Anybody want to buy it? Leave a comment below. Man, how it flies. Backflip, anyone? We couldn't do that with the stock wheels. Oh, oh, oh. Should have kept it going. No! Great work, Peter. Great work. Okay, we unplugged the battery. Something came definitely unplugged. I think it's one of the motor cables or batteries. Something is. It was a hard hit. So, what came undone? Okay. Hello. What happened now? Okay. Unplug the batteries. No, no. It was a hard hit. Okay, something definitely happened. I think it's one of the connectors to the batteries. Something, because the power just went out. We had a hard hit and the power just got out. So it's definitely not the engine. That's definitely not the case. It's something with the AC, so the AC doesn't get any more power. It can be either the connector. I will try it with different batteries, but I think maybe one of the lipos got cut out. I don't know. I will check it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. This is a short, nice bash. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like what I'm doing, please like, comment the videos. Please share them and please do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peter signing off. Ciao. Bye. So guys, a quick update on the last situation. I have plugged in new batteries and everything is working. So definitely the Jeans Ace batteries, maybe some unsoldering or something like that. I don't know, I have to check it at home. But yeah, this is this so that you know what happened. So it's the truck isn't broken, it's just the batteries that something happened to them. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Bye, ciao.